prenuptial agreement is a contract for two people who are about to enter into a marriage agreement. This contract establishes the ownership of shared assets and property should the marriage ever come to an end. It is always executed prior to the couple's actual marriage. In this video, we'll go over the Uniform Premarital Agreement Act, the signing requirements in Arkansas, the ways prenups can be overturned in Arkansas, and how a prenup is affected by the prospect of public assistance. Before we start, make sure to grab your template for an Arkansas prenuptial agreement at the link below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos by eForms, the world's largest database of legal documents. First, let's review the Uniform Premarital Agreement Act. Arkansas is one of 28 states that has adopted its version of the Uniform Premarital Agreement Act. This act was written in 1983 to standardize prenup laws across the country. Next, let's cover the signing requirements in Arkansas. As previously mentioned, both individuals are required to sign the prenup. Arkansas does not require both parties to have their own attorneys when signing, but it does require that one of the following occur for the prenup to be valid. Both parties make a formal declaration to the appropriate officer of the court that they have voluntarily entered into this agreement. Both parties' attorneys submit a sworn affirmation to the court that they have voluntarily entered into the agreement. The agreement is notarized, or the execution of the agreement is witnessed by two separate individuals who have no direct interest in the contents or the outcome of the prenup. Now, there are plenty of ways prenups can be overturned in Arkansas, including a written agreement that is signed by both parties, proof that one party didn't execute the agreement voluntarily, and a court decides that the agreement is extremely one-sided and unfair for one party involved. Make sure you take these issues into consideration when entering into a prenup. But what about how a prenup in Arkansas is affected by the prospect of public assistance? If a prenup eliminates spousal support altogether, a court may still enforce some amount of support if the spouse on the receiving end would have to go on public assistance without it. So, where can you find legal documents online? If you're in need of a prenuptial agreement, divorce agreement, name change forms, or any other forms, we have thousands of state-specific ready-to-go templates available for you to access. Hit the link here to get started.